Here's the thing, for anyone who feel like you're, medyo my age ka na, here's the thing. Remember, I don't know if you guys have watched my video, that retirement, the concept of retirement, my friend, is an employment corporate world. Think about it. Before the industrial age and all, wala namang term na retirement eh. People, kung magsasaka ka hanggat kaya ng katawan mo. Wala tayong age, walang retirement age, so to speak. Right? Ngayon, meron 65 years old, retirement na, blah, blah, blah. That is for most people, they hate their job. So that's why they cannot wait for that moment na mag-retire so they don't have to go back to work anymore. I remember yung anak ko po, every lunchtime, he's in kindergarten. Sinusundo ko. As soon as mag-bell, they're gonna open the door, kids who gonna run and play. They cannot wait to go out there and play. Why? Well, half day na silang nakaupo. Do you really think, in your opinion, do you really think that it is healthy for kids na makaupo for several hours? Kasi may mga anak dyan, right? Nakaupo lang sila several hours, nakikinig sa teacher. When most of them, they just want to play. They just want to be a kid. Pero ito nga yung mga problema sa school system. Because we want to teach them, which is, we all understand. But then minsan namimiss natin na bata sila. They just want to play. Kaya yung ibang estudyante, ibang bata, nag-i-struggle. Because ang magulang, ang gusto, kailangan mataas ang grade, right? Pinupost pa nga natin eh. Pag nanalo ang may medal ang anak natin eh. Pag may ribbon, popost natin, we're so proud. But always question, is it for them or is it for you? Are they happy or you are more happy? That is the thing. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.